Students, this is the poem 3.1 Coromandel Fishers. I think we had completed this poem in the classroom, but even though I am giving you some important notes of it to write in your notebook, see here theme or central idea of this poem. See here. It is asked in appreciation of the poem. You have to write it in the appreciation of the poem. See it and write it in your notebook. The name of the poem is Coromandel Fishers, and the poet of this poem is the famous Indian poetess. Her name is Sarojini Naidu. She is also the freedom fighter of India. You know it. She had written this poem to urge her countrymen to wake up, to rise up, and to contribute in the independence movement of India. At that time, for the independence of India, the people fighting against the British rule, British Empire. And that's why she urges the countrymen to participate in the independence movement of India and try to get the independence For that, she urges the Indian people through this poem to rise up and fight against the British Empire. The meaning of the unknown words is given here. The appreciation is given here. See here, rhyming scheme A B A A B B. Favorite lines: Rise, brothers, rise. Special features of the poem is given here. See here. Why I like this poem? I like this poem because this is such a super poem. The beauty of nature, the the audacity of the fishermen, and everything have been so beautifully described. Each and every life is so meaningful. I love this poem. It is a inspiring poem. The points are here. What is the name of the poem? Coromandel Fisher is the name of the poem. Who is the writer of this poem, or poet or poetess? Sarojini Naidu is the poetess of this poem. That is given here. See here. Here is the whole poem. You can see here. You can see it. The meaning of the unknown words. See here. The workshop that is solved here. See here. Match the following. The fourth question. See here. Answer of that question.